Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fikro Khabar. You are watching Islamic World Today. Gulf Summit opens in Saudi capital. Qatar's Amir skipped Gulf Summit. Ethiopia's premier receives Nobel Peace Prize in Oslo. Abiy Ahmed receives Nobel Peace Prize for his decisive initiative to resolve border conflicts with neighboring countries. Turkey's Erdogan to decline Nobel Peace Prize if awarded. President condemns awarding 2019 Nobel Peace in Literature to Henke. Says decision amounts to complicity in operation. Israel green-lights US Embassy building in Jerusalem. US unilaterally recognized Jerusalem as Israel's capital in 2017, triggering world's outcry. African Union and Arab League vows to support Palestine. Hundreds of diplomats and officials gathered in Ethiopian capital in support of Palestinian struggle. US lawmakers to limit transfer of F-35s to Turkey. National Defense Authorization Act proposed allocation of $440 million fund to Pentagon to purchase F-35s just as ordered by Turkey. Algeria jails two Bouteflika-era premiers ahead of polls. Verdicts came 2 days before polls to elect new president. Iran calls for intra-Afghan talks to end war. Countries in region should facilitate talks but should not try to dictate, Iranian foreign minister tells agency. UK Conservative Party hotbed for Islamophobia. Tourists will be condemned if they do not live up to their responsibilities to deal with Islamophobia within party. Rohingya demand justice as Myanmar faces genocide charges. NDB to sue Myanmar to be devastating blow to morality and credibility of international community, says Rohingya group. Bangladesh human rights situation remaining alarming. On eve of World Human Rights Day, right group documents extrajudicial killing and disappearances.